Hi everyone. So I am making a DIY sheet mask. Why DIY sheet mask? What is the benefit of DIY sheet mask? Number one, it's chemical free. Number two, it's very easy to make. Three, you use fresh products. Four, it's cost effective. Five, you can customize according to your skin type. Who should use this sheet mask? Anyone who loves to take care of their skin and wants to pamper their skin and also wants to feel like a relaxing or a spa kind of a feel at home. Why do you have to use a DIY sheet mask when there are a lot of sheet masks already existed in the industry or in the market? Now, I have tried personally many brands, but I really did not feel the effect of it. But when I tried to make the DIY, I found a lot of result in my skin and how the skin feels. And why sheet mask? Why not any other mask for the skin? It is because this sheet mask give deep hydration and makes your skin feels very soft and subtle. You try it out. I try to keep it very simple and easy to make. Don't forget to follow Self Makeup Mastery for more such skincare and beauty hacks. Now, here are some of the important points that you have to make sure that you follow when you use sheet mask. Number one, let the sheet mask soak in the ingredient completely. So do not remove it when it is half done. Make sure you at least soak it for 3 to 4 minutes before you apply it on your skin. Number two, use more of liquid ingredients like milk, rose water, or cucumber juice, or maybe the rice water, something of a water content, because if you use a lot of cream texture or a serum based, it will be difficult for the sheet mask to absorb the ingredients, and then you will not be able to feel that on your skin when you apply it. Don't waste the excess. Suppose you mix the ingredients in a larger quantity just by chance or by mistake, then use another sheet mask and make use of it and repeat the process for 2 days. Do not throw it, but ideally I would prefer to start using with a minimal amount of ingredient. Just take 1 spoon or 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. I have tried to keep it very simple, using only 2 to 3 products, not more than that. Fresh is best. When you do this DIY, at least use it on your skin within 5 to 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes after you make the DIY ingredient. This is completely optional. You can use a roller. If you have a rose quartz or a jade roller, you can use it on your skin to massage the ingredient into the skin, and that would give a best result. Keep the sheet mask for 15 minutes, not more than 15 minutes. I think that is enough for the skin to soak into the product. Use every drop. If there is any moist or the ingredients still left on the sheet mask, you can use it on your elbows, on your knees, on your hands, on your feet. This is very important. Keep a gentle finish. Once you use the sheet mask, do not apply soap or a cleanser. Ideally, I would prefer do the skin routine in the evening so that your skin, the ingredients sleep onto your skin, and you would get a better result on the next day. But please make sure that you always use the sheet mask in the night and do not apply soap or any kind of a chemical based product onto your face. So just wash it with a plain water. So let us continue with our sheet mask series. Let us go with our first DIY sheet mask, which gives you hydration and suitable for all the skin type, which is rose water, honey, and coconut oil. This is best for people who have dry skin and also people who want to get rid of their dull skin. Rose water tones and calms the skin. Honey gives you a hydration and nourishment. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has an antibacterial and antifungal properties, which strengthens the skin immunity system. Soak one of the sheet mask in this mixture. Apply it on your cleanly washed face for 15 minutes. And rinse it off with normal or lukewarm water. Hi everyone, here is a day 2 sheet mask, and in this tutorial you're going to learn about the sheet mask. This mask is best for people who have tanning and are looking for brightening their skin. So here we are using aloe vera, turmeric and milk. Aloe vera smoothens and hydrates the skin, gives you enough moisture. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and has a brightening property. So if you have sun tanning and you feel there is dullness and lack of brightness on the skin, you can try this mask. And the last product is the milk. It's a best cleanser which removes the impurity and nourishes your skin. It also works like a refreshing toner. All you have to do is soak the sheet mask into your mixture and let it absorb. Apply it on your skin for 15 minutes on a clean washed skin, and then rinse it off after 15 minutes with a lukewarm water or a normal water. I hope you like this combination of sheet mask. Do try it out and let me know what your skin feels in the comment below. Here we are with day 3 DIY sheet mask. So this sheet mask is something of a Korean style. Who are looking for a glass skin finish, then you must try this. For this, use a rice water, aloe vera gel and honey. To prepare a rice water, take a half cup of rice water, thoroughly rinse it, soak it for 30 minutes, strain the rice and collect the water. So this is called the rice water. Mix 2 to 3 spoons of rice water, add a tablespoon of honey and aloe vera gel, mix it gently, and you know all you have to do. Take the compressed sheet mask, dip it in the mixture, allow it to soak, and then apply it on your clean face for 15 minutes. Let this ingredient absorb into your skin and give that nourishment that you're looking for. Rice water gives you brightness and hydrates your skin. Aloe vera moistures your skin and keeps it very soft and supple. Honey gives you a dewy glow. After 15 minutes, remove the mask gently, rinse it off with a plain water or a lukewarm water. I hope you're enjoying these sheet mask series. To day 4 DIY sheet mask. This is another Korean interesting sheet mask which is very easy and simple to make. Let's learn. For this sheet mask, you need 3 ingredients. The first one is a cucumber juice. Then you add aloe vera and green tea. This mask is very good for dry and sensitive skin. All you have to do is add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. This hydrates and smoothens the skin, and add 1 table of cucumber juice which refreshes and hydrates your skin, and add 1 tablespoon of green tea which calms and reduces the inflammatory, which is ideal for the sensitive skin. To make a cucumber juice, grate the cucumber and extract the juice from it. And for a green tea, dip any green tea bag in a hot water and take 1 or 2 teaspoons of green tea, and remaining you can drink it, which also cleanses from inside out. Now all you have to do is apply this mask on a clean washed face for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with a normal or a lukewarm water as usual. Do not apply any other product after you use it. Follow Self Makeup Mastery for more skincare and makeup hacks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.